right. All right, my sweets. Today for math, we're just going to practice. It's going to be review. So what we're going to review and practice is how to add and subtract 2 from a number. So boys and girls at home and boys and girls here at school, what I need you to do is very quietly take out your whiteboards and your markers. Go. Your markers get parked on your name tag in your sock. Boys and girls at home, you can get out your little whiteboards and your markers. Awesome. London has hers. I'm going to give the kids at home a chance to get out there. Hi, Chelsea. Their whiteboards. Boys and girls at home, please make sure that your videos are off and your voice is muted, okay? Otherwise, you show up on the camera for all the other boys and girls who are watching online and in my videos on YouTube. Just a second, my love. My sweets, what I would like you to do is write these 2 math facts on your whiteboard. Let me scoot you closer, boys and girls at home. Boys and girls here, what you're going to write are these 2 math facts. I want you to write 3 plus 2 equals. Please write 3 plus 2 equals. Let me write it higher for my kids who are here at school. 3 plus 2 equals. And I want you to write 3 minus 2 equals. I want you to write these 2 math facts and then park your marker. Gotta do it. Write 3 plus 2 and 3 minus 2. Good girl. You can take out your whiteboard now. Make sure it's going up and down. That looks nice. Good work, Jaron. Now park your marker. Good, Jordan. Good, Adelia. Mason. Good. Your minus, honey, just has to go off to the side. Put your minus here. Yes. I have noticed that we kind of struggle with these, with how many we should be hopping. So we're going to practice. All right. My loves, what are we going to do for 3 plus 2? Thank you for parking your markers. What are we going to do, Jaden? Circle the plus. 5K, take your marker. Prince, you're doing a great job listening. Circle that plus sign. Then what are we going to do, sweetheart? All right. 5K, please park your markers because you don't want to draw on your name tag. Please, everybody touch 3 on your name tag. We're practicing our hopping today. Everybody touch 3. How many more are we hopping? 2. Hop 2 more with me. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2. 5K, what number are we at? 5. Way to go. Please write a 5 underneath. Please park your marker. All right. 3 minus 2, what do I do? London, what do I do, babe? Circle the minus. Then what do I do, sweetheart? Yes, park your marker and touch number 3 on your name tag, she said. 5K, you don't have to cap your marker each time. Look, I leave mine on. I leave it on the top. Okay, you don't need to cap your marker each time. You can just put it down. Everybody touch 3 on your name tag. London, what does minus mean? What way are we hopping? Yeah, we're losing some. Everybody touch 3. Tamia, park your marker, please, so you're not playing with it. Take away 2 with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2. 5K, what number are we at? 1. Please write the number 1. Oh, baby. I want you to look at those 2 answers. We wrote a 5 and we wrote a 1. Are those anywhere close to each other? Yeah. No. Those are 2 totally different answers. So when you are doing your math facts, you need to be so careful that you are looking at the plus or the minus and how many more. If it says 1 or 2, because these 2 numbers are so very different. My loves, erase everything in 5. And then your markers parked on top. 4, 3. Erase everything in 2. Erase everything in 1. And done. Awesome. Boys and girls here are doing great. I'm sure you at home are doing great too. Thanks for joining. 5K. You're going to write these 2 math facts. 5. Then your plus goes over here and your 1 goes under your 5. 5 plus 1. Do 5 plus 1. And 5 plus 2. 5 plus 1. Okay, and 5 plus 2. I see children that have trouble with this, with the 2 and the 1. Sometimes you guys don't look at the second number. You just think it's always plus 2, but it's not. Prince already has his marker parked. He wrote those 2. Zaya wrote them. DeAndre wrote them. His marker's parked. Jaden, great job. That stays there. All right, I need help. What do I do for the first one? What do I do for 5 plus 1? What do I do for 5 plus 1? Raise your hand. I need help. Tamia, what do I do? Circle that plus sign. You got it, babe. Then what do I do, sweetheart? I'm what, honey? I go to my name tag. You got it. What number am I finding on my name tag? Everybody, please touch number 5 on your name tag. Good work, boys and girls. Sweetheart, how many more am I hopping?
5.
Oh, not 2 more. 1 more. You got to be so careful. Hop 1 more with me. 5K, ready? Go. 1. What number are you at, boys and girls? 6. Please write the number 6. You always got to look at that second number. Please don't spin your whiteboard. Awesome. I need help with the next one. 5 plus 2. What do I do? Prince. Circle the plus. You got it, sweetheart. Boys and girls at home, you're doing great. Thanks for following along so well with me and keeping your videos off and your voices muted. Otherwise, all the other boys and girls see that on their computer screens. All right. Prince, after I circle that plus, then what do I do? What, honey? I do. I start at 5, and then what do I do? I touch 5, and then what do I do? I hop more. I hop 2 more. You got it. My loves, touch number 5. Hop 2 more with me. Good work. I see everybody touching their number 5s. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2. What number are we at, boys and girls?
7.
What number are we at?
7.
You got it. Right in number 7. Are those answers the same? No. So you need to be so careful that you look at this second number. 5 and you only hop 1. 5 and you only hop 2. You got to be so careful. My loves, erase everything. 7. 6, your marker's parked when you're done. 5, and my loves at home. I see Bridget, Karina, Chelsea, and Mitchell. You're doing great. Erase everything in 4. Erase everything in 3. Erase everything in 2. Markers parked on top in 1. Awesome. My loves, we're going to practice a couple more. You guys are doing great. Then we'll go to our worksheet. My loves, I want you to write 9 plus, oh boy, that was a terrible plus. 9 plus 2.
No, what's my plus?
Right, 9 plus 2. Remember, your 2 goes underneath.
9 plus, okay. 9 plus 2. I'm so confused. 9 plus
9 minus 2.
2.
9 plus 2
Okay, I'm confused.
and 9 minus 2. I'm going to write this one neater. 9 plus 2 and 9 minus 2.
Oh.
I'm giving you time to write that. When you're done, please park your markers. DeAndre, you're doing great. Mason, that looks great. Jaden, Prince, Jordan, make sure you're writing this, sweetheart. Adelia, Ryan, Mason, great. All right. I need someone to help me with 9 plus 2. What do I do, Mason? Good. Circle my plus. What does plus mean, Mason? I'm hopping forward. I'm hopping more. You got it, sweetheart. Mason, I parked my pencil. What do I do next after I circle that plus? And just set it on the top. Hop on the number line. What number am I going to start at, sweetheart? Number 9. Everybody touches number 9. Where am I going to hop, Mason? 2 more. You got it. 2 more. Everyone hop 2 more with me. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2. 5K. Everybody tell me, what number are you at? 11. You got it. Right, number 11. So yeah, you are really doing great. Hopping on your name tag, sweet girl. Mr. Porter, could you give tickets to the kids you see touching and counting with me?
Yes.
Perfect. That's 2. What do I do for 9 minus 2? Help me out. Say yeah. What do I do, babe? Circle the minus. Now, circling the minus means I'm going to be doing what, sweetheart? Hopping 2 places. Which way? Minus. I'm going to lose some. You got it, babe. All right. Everybody touch number 9. Mr. Porter's looking for those of you who are touching number 9 on your name tag. Zaya says hop 2 back. Hop 2 with me. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2. 5K, what number are you at? You got it, my loves. Please write 7. Great work.
Write 2. You put 7.
Awesome. My sweets, you're doing great. What I would like you to do, don't push too hard, Lyndon. Otherwise, your marker's going to go in, and then you won't be able to write it all. So don't push too hard. 5K, erase everything. And 6. 5, you guys are doing great. You're not getting tricked anymore. 3. Mr. Porter still looking for those children who can get tickets. 2. 1. Awesome. All right, my sweets, what I would like you to do is write these two math facts. You're going to write 8 plus 2. Right, 8 plus 2. And 8 plus 1.
8 plus
You're pushing too hard and it's squeaking. That means your marker is going to get ruined. You're going to push the tip in.
plus
Then you won't have to anymore. You got to write it, sweetheart.
3 and 8 plus. Oh, this is 1. Keep doing 1.
You need to make a 1. Make a 1. Zaya, wonderful. Great job, Deandre. Good work, London. Ryan and Dahlia Mason. Awesome. Boys and girls at home, I hope you are doing great. Boys and girls here are doing really great. What do I do first for 8 plus 2? These will be the last ones we do before we do our worksheet. And then we can go. Yep. What should we do? Nazir. Circle the plus. You got it, sweetheart. Nazir, what does plus mean? Plus means we're getting
More.
We're getting more. Good, Nazir. What number am I going to touch on my name tag? Nope, that's not a 0. What number is that? Crazy.
8.
Crazy what?
8.
Crazy 8. Everybody touch crazy 8 on your name tag. Nazir, how many more are we going to hop on our name tag? You got it. We're going to hop 2 more. Everyone's touching 8. Hop 2 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2. What number are you at?
10.
You got it, my loves. You are at 10. Please write 10. A 1 and a 0. Good work, Caleb.
Okay.
Good work, Jaden, Kylan.
A 1.
Good work, Nazir.
0.
Good, Jair. All right, my loves. Last one before we go to our worksheet. You guys are doing great. 8 plus 1. What do I do?
13.
Ryan, you haven't helped me yet. That's not a minus. Circle the plus. You got it, sweetheart. What does plus mean, babe? I'm adding. I'm getting more. Sweetheart, what number should we touch on our name tag? 8. Everybody touches 8 on their name tag. Sweetheart, how many more are we hopping? 1 more. Everyone touches 8. Hop 1 more with me. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 5K? 9. You got it. Everybody write number 9. Whew, I think we're going to do better on our math facts. My loves, what I would like you to do is erase everything in 5. Erase everything in 4. We already did better on our math facts this morning. Erase everything in 3. 2. 1. My loves, what I need you to do is put your caps on your marker, but you need to make sure that there's no space. If there's space, that means it's going to dry out. If you need help, raise your hand. You should hear it click. Yours is on. Yep, then you can put it in your sock. Otherwise, it's going to get all dry. You got it. Please put your whiteboard and your sock in your mailbox. Whoa, baby. Mr. Porter, could you give Prince some more tickets? He already did it and has his hands folded. Wow. Excuse me, sweetheart. Can you switch in? Thank you, my love. Just wait. Boys and girls at home, what I need you to do is make sure that you used a ruler to draw your name line at the top. And you wrote the date and the day of the week. You also have to do your math facts. The boys and girls at school do them every morning by themselves. So make sure you do your math fact page. Boys and girls here at school, pencil boxes go. My loves, when you get your paper, I want you to raise your hand and tell me, what number do you see at the top? Please don't blurt. What numbers at the top of your paper? You see a 6 and a 5. What number does a 6 and a 5 make? What number does a 6 and a 5 make? Sit down in your chair, sweetheart. What number does a 6 and a 5 make? Jaden. A 6 and a 5 makes 65. You got it. My loves, please trace your 65s. And write your 65. Make sure your 5 goes top to bottom. Hold on, sweetheart. All right, my loves, after you have your 65s written, I need somebody to count by 2s for me. How many digits are on my line? Timmy, can you count by 2s for me? 2, 4, not 8, 2, 4, 6. 5K, do it with us. Ready, set, go. 2, 4, 6. Awesome. On this little line, you're going to write a 6. Please write a 6. Yeah, you got it. Today is February 3rd. So what we're going to write is 3 tally marks because today is February 3rd. You got it, sweetheart. My loves, let me turn this for you. Sorry, the internet went out. There's lots of people on. My loves, grab your pencils. We're going to make tally marks. If you're ready, say, I got my pencil. In this little box, make 3 tally marks with me. Ready, set, go. 1. Good job counting. 2, 3. Stop. You should have 3 tally marks. 3 little lines. Here's our papers to see. It says Mrs. Watts has 3 slices of bread. Oh, what shape is a slice of bread? We need to draw them. What shape is a slice of bread? When your mommy takes bread or your daddy or your granny takes bread out of the bag, you eat it, but what shape is it, sweetheart? What shape? A square. You got it, my love. Of bread, we need to make 3 squares. You can't make them too big, but don't make them too little. 3 squares for 3 pieces of bread. Good, Caleb. Good, Tamia. Good, Jaden. Prince, those look great. 3 squares for 3 pieces of bread. Jordan, excellent. Then you parked your pencil. Good girl. Tamia, wonderful. Zaya, great job. London, Adelia, Mason, Ryan, great. Only 3, so you got to erase these 2. My loves, then it says Mrs. Watts cut each slice in half. What do we need to do if she cut each slice in half? Jair, what should we do if she cut each one in half? What, honey? I can't hear you, so you got to speak louder. Okay, but what are we going to do to show that she cut it in half? What could we do, Jaden?
Put it in the middle.
Yeah, draw a line down the middle of each one, top to bottom, a line of symmetry. She cut each slice of bread in half. Boys and girls, cut each slice of bread in half. Draw a line of symmetry down the middle of each slice of bread. Awesome. It says, how many children can she give a piece of bread to now? She cut them in half. So now how many children could get a piece of bread? Huh, Ryan, how did you figure out that it was 6, sweetheart? He counted each little slice. Count with me, 5K. Everybody count. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say, we can count by twos. All right, count by twos with me. We should have 6. Ready, set, go. 2, 4, 6. He is exactly right. There are 6 children that can get bread, so we're going to write a 6 on this little line under number 2. 6 children can have bread. A piece of bread. Hold your pencil the right way, please. Say, oh my, there's tally marks. There are. But my sweets, we can count them. We can do it. When we count tally marks, what do we count by? Raise your hand. We don't count by 2s and we don't count by 10s. What do we count by, Adelia? Not by 1s. We could, but that would take a long time. What do we count by, Mason? Nope, we're not going to count each little tally mark. That's going to take too long. We count by? Not 2s. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. People are blurting. Not 10s. 5K. Count with me. How many are in a bundle? Count with me. Ready? Sweetheart, you need to take out a ticket. When I'm talking, you are not, sweetheart.
6.
Count with me. How many are in a bundle, in a fence? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally up 5. When we count tally marks, we count by 5s. You got it. Count by 5s with me. We're going to count 5s. Look, 5K, we're going to go like this. 5, 10, 15. We're going to keep going. Count with me. Ready, set, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Switch. One more makes 26, 27. Let's double check. Let's count by 1s and see if we're right. 5K, park your pencils. Take your fingers, go whoop. We're going to touch each little one and count. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tally up 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Tally up 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Tally up 20. Good counting. Keep going. 22, 23, 24. Tally up 25, 26, 27. How do I write 27? Raise your hand, please don't blurt. Kylan. 27 is a, that would be 70. 20 means what? 27. Adelia. What is it, Kylan? A 2 and a 7. Right underneath number 3, boys and girls, I need you to write 27, a 2 and a 7. brown. Stop. Before we do that, how many pennies do you see? We need to color the pennies brown, but how many pennies do you see? Because they're not all pennies. Ryan is counting on his paper. How many pennies do you see? Tamia, how many pennies? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, they're not all pennies. There's not 7 pennies. How many pennies are there? How many pennies? London. London says 6. Let's count. Are there 6 pennies? Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. This first one is not a penny. That's a dime. All these other ones are pennies. 5K, take out your browns. You're going to color all those pennies, but not the first one. The first one is a dime. That's what you told me. Zaya is doing it so quietly. She's just coloring her pennies. Mason starting so quietly. Thanks for being so neat, boys and girls. Caleb's coloring his pennies. We can't color that first one. That's a dime. That's not Abraham Lincoln on the front. That's President Roosevelt. He's on the dime. All right, you're coloring all the pennies. I had to peel my paper off my crayon. All right. When you are done coloring, you can put your brown away. The only thing you'll need to finish the rest of this work is a pencil. I see some neat coloring. Tamia's staying in the lines. DeAndre already has his brown away and just his pencil out. So does Prince. Nice coloring, Prince. And I love that you're looking at me. That way I know you're ready. No, we're not going to color the dime, sweetheart. You just need your regular pencil. All right, now before we count this money, I need help. We need to write some things on top of our money. What are we going to write on top of our money to help us count? What are we going to write on top to help us count? Mason. Ones on top of which part? Which ones are we writing a 1 on? The pennies. All these brown ones that you colored need a 1. Write a 1 on top. Those are pennies. Mason, what about the one we left white? Draw a 10. Why are we writing a 10, sweetheart? A dime is more than a penny. A dime is 10 cents. You got it, sweetheart. Well, then nothing yet. I need you just to write a 1 on top. We're not writing anything there yet, sweetheart. Okay, we need to do one more thing. Between our dime and our penny, we need to do one more thing. Caleb, you need to write how much money. What should we do before we can count? What do we need to do between our dime and our penny? Jaden, make a line because that tells our brains when to switch. All right, boys and girls, if you got the line in between your dime and your penny, say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Awesome. My loves, please put your pencils down. I want you to count with me. I want you to touch and count. Pencils are down. Pencils are down. I'm going to wait till everybody has their pencil down. Prince is already touching the dime. Count with me. Ready? Set. Go. 10. Switch. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15, 16. How do I write 16 cents? Jaden. Nope, not a 6 first. 16.
A 1.
A teen number has what go first? A teen number has what go first, Zaya?
A 1.
A 1 and a
2.
no, 16. A 6, a 1 and a 6. And what can I not forget, Jaden? My cent sign, because I'm counting money. You got it. 16 cents. Ooh, baby. Number 5 says circle the number in the box that is between 27 and 35. What number's in the middle? 36, 24, or 31? Ooh, boy. That's tricky. We need to figure out which number goes here, and they only gave us these 3 numbers. What could we do to figure that out? Usually I tell you what we're going to do. I want you to tell me. What should we do to try to figure that out? Adelia, what do you think we should do? Well, we do need to look at one of the numbers, but what else do we need to do? Let's count. Yeah, she said let's count them. My loves, we're going to start at 27 and we're going to stop at 35. You need to look at these 3 numbers and see which one we say. Are you ready?
Yeah.
My loves, you're looking here in this box. Start at 27 with me. Ready, set, go. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Stop. Which one did we say? She told us to count from 27 to 35. Did we say 36,
No.
24,
No.
or 31? Raise your hand. Which one did we say, Adelia? We did not say 24. 24 is too small. Plus. 7 on the line. Hi, my loves. I am back. Sorry I went away. The internet went out because we have so many people on it. My loves, what we did was we circled number 31. That was hard for us. We're going to practice more of that. minus?
3.
Blurt. What do I do next, sweetheart?
Start at 5.
Everybody touch number 5 on your name tag. I'm looking for all my boys and girls in here to touch number 5. Use your other pencil. If that one's not writing, use your other one. London, honey, put it in your pencil box. You keep your pencils in your pencil box. Jaden, we're starting at 5. What am I going to do, sweetheart? Honey, I have 5. Then how many am I taking away? 2. Everybody hop back 2 with me. Adelia, touch 5. Mason, touch 5. DeAndre, touch 5. Hop back 2 with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2. What number are we at, 5K?
3.
Please write the number 3. All right, what do I do for 7 minus 2? What's the first thing I do? Raise your hand. I need someone to help me. Print. At Ryan. Boys and girls at home, I just want you to finish these math facts at the bottom by yourself. The video keeps cutting out because there's too many people on the internet. So just finish this at home by yourselves, okay? My sweets, just these last 3. All right? We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining for math.